Mikel Arteta there. Have you been impressed with Arsenal so far?
Yeah, I think he's doing a good job. And I keep saying Liverpool only lost 2 games last season, so it's going to be difficult to get in front of them. And I've got a feeling they might. I obviously want Liverpool to win the league, but I've got a feeling they might do it. Only because Liverpool have got that many new players. Surely they can't just slot in perfectly without defeats. You know, from last season, they've lost Trent. They've lost 33 goals in Nuno, Jota and Diaz. There's 33 goals gone there. They've had to replace them. And sometimes the new players, you're trying that hard to keep your head above water at a big club. You forget about the team.
Yeah.
So Frimpong, Kirkes, they've got to fit in. I think Andy Robertson's better than Kirkes, by the way. But he's picking Kirkes at the moment. So I think Arsenal are a more settled outfit.
Yeah.
I know they've made some good signings. I think they could do it.
Okay. And do you think Ange can win a trophy for Forest?
You asked me that earlier, didn't you?
Yeah.
Now, this argument of the Saunders, so they talk, say, Liverpool, based on new players, they might lose a game or 2 here and there. But we will get new players, so we will never even blend in. But I like that argument. Yes, I see the argument. It's a valid argument because I don't expect, say, them go play the entirety of the season, losing just like last season, they lose 2. No, I don't see that happening. Unless miraculously we can go get barrage of injuries. You get so many, we be say we not going strong enough, and other people for the league self when they get injured because this time around I believe everybody don't strengthen. I want to see Liverpool versus Man U. I want to see Liverpool versus Man City. You get these are games I want to see. Liverpool versus Chelsea. You get I want to see how it will be. You get who don't play Liverpool, who don't play Man U. So be then to see our next match that we will play Man City. So when Liverpool will play all these tough games on paper, I want to see how they will navigate all these things.
And a one-word answer.
Yes.
Brilliant. I like to hear your positivity. Do you, Forest fans? 03717 22 33 44. What if you finished 17th in the Premier League, but you won a trophy? Would you take that from Ange Postecoglou? 81089. If you would rather send a text message, don't forget you've got the big game this afternoon live for you here on TalkSport. If you're heading out and about, download the TalkSport app. You can take us anywhere with you today. Arsenal Forest at 12:30, and then 8 o'clock tonight is Brentford again.
Anyway, no need to ball now about that one. I think this video was done before the game. We'd already beat Forest 3-0. That's it.